here at America's National Park of Speed. Green flag is out. Zoe Edenholm picks up the wheels and does a wheelie on its start. Edenholm and Jet Nolan lead him down into turn one. Bill the Thrill Hines into turn one. The field separates out into the first of 5 on the short course, 3 on the long course. Edenholm by 2 truck lengths into turn 1. There is a kitty to find out how many times I can say the word car in this race. I got to give up $1 every time. So it is the Stadium Super Trucks, and we are underway. Zoe Edenholm has the early lead. Again, 5 laps on the short course. First jump here off of turn 3. Edenholm, Nolan, and Bill the Thrill. Underneath the Sargento Bridge. Everybody through cleanly now.
All right, I'm out here. All right, I'm good to go when you guys are. Just let me know. All right.
Gordon going to try to push Barry Bose to the front. These trucks draft extremely well up the straightaway here. Holzer now your new leader, 15 years of age out of Abrams, Wisconsin. Matty Brabs looks like he's retired to the paddock area in the 83 machine. Robbie Gordon sets inside Bose to turn 3. Gordon and Bose side by side. They go off the ramp, door to door. Gordon to third. The Speed Energy Menards, number 7 of Robbie Gordon, up to third. John Holzer, your leader through turn 4, and now into turn 5 to the chicane, through the water barriers. Again, to the right of the water barrier. And then back to the left. And then back to the right through the tire chicane as well. Holzer, your leader. Nolan, Gordon. And I believe Ari Leindyke might be up to the 4th spot now. Ari Leindyke Jr. And Sheldon Creed into the mix. Sheldon Creed now 4th. Sheldon Creed in the where did he come from category. Working complete lap number 3. 2 laps to go here in the short course, and then we'll get 3 laps on the long course. Sheldon Creed, a 2-time series champion here in the Stadium Super Trucks. Leaders now working into turn 3. It's Holcher. Oh, we got a truck. Looks like lost some body panels off of turn 3. Hit hard on the landing. That was Ari Leyendyk Jr., the VP Racing Fuels. Made some abnormal contact with the ramp, rolled over and continued. Endoed off the ramp, hit hard, and barrel rolled into the grass in turn 3. The body ripping off the truck and back underway. Looks like we're going to go yellow, but the body coming off of the VP Racing Fuels machine of Ari Leyendyk Jr. All right, looks like we're going to go caution this time through for Ari Leyendyk. Lost the hood. And the yellow flag coming out. But Ari Leyendyk, that truck rolled over, hit hard. So the full course yellow coming out. So John Holcher, the 15-year-old, your leader. Jet Nolan, the 66. Robbie Gordon in 3rd. Sheldon Creed up to 4th. Barry Bose 5th. Ari Leyendyk Jr., even with the flip and roll, still 6th place. Bill the Thrill Hines in 7th. Max Gordon up to 8th. Zoe Edenholm 9th. Zane Smith in the 66. Matty Brabs with some mechanical woes retired in the 83 machine. So we will come get the green next time through and should see full course transversing with another jump over just in front of the Speedville Bridge in turn 8. Again, 12 points to win. And on back, the field set this afternoon on the points invert for this afternoon's race. We'll race these trucks again this afternoon at 3:35 this afternoon following the TA2 race. So stick around. There's 2 races after the NASCAR Xfinity Series event. We'll get our pre-race underway at 11 a.m. this morning at the conclusion of this one. So the leader coming through turn 14, John Holcher. Jet Nolan, Robbie Gordon, Sheldon Creed, Barry Bose, Ari Leyendyk now missing the front bodywork on the hood of his Stadium Super Truck, the VP Fuels machine. Bill Hines, Max Gordon in tow. And they will come up the hill and get the green flag. And so Holcher, the race-driven machine out front, gets a good jump on the field. And will bring the field under green into turn number 1. About 3 truck lengths advantage over Jet Nolan. Robbie Gordon looks to the inside of Nolan and settles back into line. Gordon trying to mix of it go, but Sheldon Creed filling up the back bumper of Robbie Gordon. So So it's Holcher, Nolan, Gordon, and Creed. Creed dropping back a little bit. Ari Leindyke Jr. in the VP Fuels 25, fifth right now around Barry Bowes. And working the full course now. So it looks like we may get a full race through the full course now for you guys in the back. Campsites along Hurry Downs. Best viewing spot for these trucks. Down over in turn 8. Watch these trucks just absolutely unload coming down the hill. Left front carried for Holcher. Hits the ramp. Creed goes wide, hits the ramp a little bit towards the right. Everybody minding their P's and Q's, but right now the battle for third spot, I believe that's Sheldon Creed around Robbie Gordon. Actually, Gordon might not have had a very good run out of 5, but I believe Gordon was back to 4th, now back to 3rd. So they're jumbling things up in the back. Running order's a little bit scrambled now. It's still Holcher out front. I think that's Ari Leindyke Jr. in the 2nd spot. Another one, where did he come from with no front end? But Leindyke and Gordon and Creed, your top 4. So, indeed, Ari Leindyke Jr. up to 2nd. Shedding a few more body panels over the backside of the race course. Coming into 14, Leindyke Jr. on the binders. Got to the inside of Holcher. Holcher going to give up the lead to Ari Leindyke Jr. In the VP Racing Fuels machine, now your new leader. Holcher, Robbie Gordon, Sheldon Creed, and Barry Bowes. Actually, that's Jet Nolan now, the 66. Then Barry Bowes. Max Gordon working to the outside of Bowes. Gordon looking for the 6th spot around the TA2 veteran. Going to get the white silk next time by. For the leaders, Max Gordon is around Barry Bowes for 6. The 12-year-old started shotgun on the field. And now up to the 6th spot. Ari Leindyke Jr., John Holcher, Robbie Gordon, Sheldon Creed, Jet Nolan, your top 5. 6th is Max Gordon, Barry Bowes, and the Thrill, Bill Hines. Max Gordon has gone upside down in turn 5. Bill Hines there as well, but Gordon has gone upside down, and a yellow flag going to come out. And a full course yellow going to come out. And it looks like the trucks will stop here on the front straightaway. So still working to clean up the 77 of Max Gordon over in turn 5. Double yellow flag. Trucks are stopped the bottom of the hill. We'll try to get this race restarted here as we are close to a pre-race festivities for the NASCAR Xfinity Series here from Road America.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a test for NBC television. How am I doing? Anything more? You got it? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing, testing. Here at Road America, taking a look about on the paddock for NBC.
It's going to be a one-lap dash for the cash here in the Stadium Super Trucks. Trucks are refired. They're going to get the white silk this time through as from Bob Koski. They'll make one more trip here around Road America. Ari Lyondike Jr. will get the green flag. Robbie Gordon, Sheldon Creed, your top 3. John Holter, as well as Jet Holen in the 66X and the 32 of Barry Bowes. That is your battle for the top spot. It is Ari Lyondike, Sheldon Creed, and Robbie Gordon, your top 3. Sheldon Creed to the inside of Robbie Gordon off of turn 1. Down across the Briggs & Stratton tunnels, they work their way to turn 3 for the final time. It's the white flag lap here for Stadium Super Trucks. We'll do it again this afternoon at 3:35. Robbie Gordon holds on to the second spot right now. Ari Lyondike Jr., the VP Racing Fuels entry on top the board. Underneath the Sargento Bridge, the final time, the final lap here at Road America. Lyondike, Gordon, Creed. Creed, the 2-time series champion. Gordon, a 2-time series champion. Ari Lyondike Jr. going for his 3rd career SST win here from Road America. Gordon will look to the outside in turn 5. Lyondike holds the lead by about 3 truck lengths over Robbie Gordon. Working the way underneath the Corvette Bridge up to the top of the hill. Gordon right on the deck lid of Lyondike and bumper to bumper to bumper. Top 3 spots, nose to tail now. Gordon's got his mirror all full of Sheldon Creed. Ari Lyondike by a half a truck length over Robbie Gordon. Through hurry downs now. The final time through turn 8. The final ramp here on the backside of the race course. We'll get 2 more ramps before the start-finish line. At the Speedville Bridge, it is Ari Lyondike Jr., Robbie Gordon, Sheldon Creed goes to the outside in the carousel, trying to get a little bit more momentum. They drag the grass on the inside of the carousel. Ari Lyondike Jr., Robbie Gordon, Sheldon Creed, nose to tail, 1, 2, 3 as they come off of turn 10 underneath the Henry Rifles Bridge and will head towards the kink now. Gordon back to third as Creed has moved up into the second spot now around the Menard Speed Energy truck of Robbie Gordon. Creed up to second in the Continental Tire truck. Now Robbie Gordon back to second around Creed. It's Lyondike, Gordon, and Creed. Slips wide into turn 12, goes wide. Holzer opens the door for a third step on the podium. It's now Holzer and Gordon battling for third. Holzer gives Robbie Gordon third back. It's going to be Ari Lyondike Jr., the VP Racing Fuels truck. The Continental Tire truck is Sheldon Creed, and the Speed Energy Menards Toyo Tires truck of Robbie Gordon in the third spot. Holzer, the race-driven truck, making his second SST start, trying to get the third step on the podium for the legend Robbie Gordon. Side by side on the turn 14, the first jump. Still side by side of the chicane. Holzer hits hard. Gordon goes to third. Holzer will finish third, but it's going to be Ari Lyondike, Sheldon Creed for your top two. Robbie Gordon will finish third, and the 15-year-old John Holzer, the 44, will finish in the fourth spot. That is your SST provisional finish.